Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with a quick video on how I was able to fix my two pneumatic brad nailer and stapler. The model number for my nailer is a BN, it's, hold on, there it is right there. It's a SB 125BN. Okay, it's an old style from the early 2000s, and this is my nailer. It's a 166996 model number. So basically, the problem that I found out with mine is that the valve body, which is these two guys right here, was busted. I don't know if you can see it, like right there, right in this little part right here. It's supposed to have a crown, like the new one, but on the new one you can barely see it because it's, oh, there it goes. See those little nipples there? Right there, these little guys, that's what's supposed to have there. I guess cheap plastic over time, it fell apart. See, that's what happened to both of them, that one and this one. And these are actually the valve bodies. So it just so happens that both of them use the same valve body. So I went ahead and ordered it, and part number is right there. Let's see if I can focus. Come on, camera, focus. Really? Come on. A little bit more. Well, anyway, I'll put this down in the description. Okay, what the part number is. But as you can see, I picked it up from Amazon. Yes, came from China, but when I went to the company's website, Bostage, they no longer carried this part. And actually on their website, that part was only like supposed to be less than $2 a piece. I was able to find them for like $4.50 each on Amazon, and they came within a week, so pretty tickled about that. So when you take the head apart, the exhaust head apart, be careful because there's a spring right there and a little washer that goes in front of the spring, which goes inside this valve body. In other words, the washer goes in first, then you put the spring in, okay, and then you put it inside the head and then put everything back together. Also, the tools you're going to need for this are a couple of picks. A 90-degree pick for picking out the old valve body when it was stuck inside the head, and another straight pick just in case you need to align the piston right here if it happens to come all the way out. Also, you're going to need a 5/32 Allen head on a screwdriver, okay, because that's what these little bolts are, 5/32. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this and then put it together and show you guys it working. Alright. Okay, so I went ahead and connected the air line to it, and now I'm going to go ahead and shoot a couple of staples. Crap. I need to secure this somehow because, oh, here we go. Make this a little bit higher because I know it's going to go right through the board. So I'm going to hit the staple first, as you can see. Okay, and let me go ahead and do the nailer now. And here's the nailer, right there. On my nailer, I happen to be missing the shoe, which is this little plastic piece here. Like I said, this plastic over time is cheap and they deteriorate. So anyway, let me get in here so you can see. There we go. Right there, there's the staple and the brad nailer, and these are both 18 gauge, by the way, since these little guys are 18 gauge. But there it is, quick fix. Like I said, I was fortunate when I took it apart. I'm like, huh, how does this go? Went on the website, pulled up the diagram, for the parts and was able to order them through another channel, but still got them. So, and there it is, guys. How I repaired my two pneumatic, one nailer, one stapler, for $9, for less than 10 bucks, because free shipping was free. All right, please rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so, and also hit the little bell so you can continue to get notifications when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.